Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Whoops. Welcome to another mukbang from Ojuolape's space. Welcome to today's mukbang, and today's mukbang I'll be taking my noodles with soft egg, carrots, peanuts, and not forgetting my boli. Yes, I'm really going an African style. Yeah, I want to make my noodles in an African style. Whoops, check me out. Okay, before we eat, if you've not subscribed and you're watching me for the first time, please support Ojuolape Space, subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, you've always watched me, I say a very big thank you. I have a lot of names that I cannot start mentioning now, but I just say thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. And I'm just going traditionally to Boli. I've been longing to eat Boli for a very long time now, so I was like, oh, this is an opportunity for me to explore Boli and noodles. So grab your share, sit down, let's enjoy this together. Let's always bless our food. Let's bless our food and eat. Amen. Before we eat, make sure you click the subscribe button. You subscribe to my channel and you press the notification bell. Then you make your comments what you think about my noodles with African style. So let's explore it. Oops. I've never tasted it before. Please. How was it? Do you enjoy your boli with your noodles? Yes, you need to try it if you've never taken it before. Wow, you have a nice own natural taste, natural sweetening. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, click on the notification bell, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe, Ojuolape space. Subscribe me. Till I see my next video. Bye.